Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be showing you what the new Mythical Epic Pyrodile looks like. We don't have the buddy for some reason. That is not yet in the game, but the pet is out and it looks very, very cool. Okay, so there's Pyrodile right here, and I think this is probably the Mythical Epic that Prodigy has spent the most time on, because we have this animation right here where these are like fading, and it seems like they put a lot of work into this epic, and it does look very, very cool. So it's a fire element. It has 9,836 hearts, and its spells are Volcanon, Wildfire, Ion Cannon, and Overgrowth. It's pet number 186, and it says Pyrodile is a thrill seeker, and is always on the lookout for erupting volcanoes in order to surf the waves of lava that come spilling out. Stats, it's power, so it's about 6 to 4, maybe 7 to 3. So it is a pretty good pet, and I do like it a lot. So now we're going to get into a battle with it. Okay, so here we go. We are going to battle this Ruckus, and I have not actually seen its attack animation yet, so I'm hoping that it looks very good. It should look a lot like Aquadiles, though. Okay, we got the question right. Here we go. Okay, so it does look pretty cool. It's about the exact same as Aquadiles, but I do think this one looks a lot cooler just because it's red and it seems more detailed and stuff. Okay, so we got it right. There we go. There it is again. It looks very, very cool. And I think that they put a lot of effort in because, like, this is moving and stuff. Like, the back of the tornado, it has, like, flames coming off of it. So that is going to go ahead and end up the video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe if you enjoyed, and bye.